more, go!
Wala akong weather report sa'yo, Seb, pero ito may report ako about the Lady Troopers, no? Kung sinasabi nga natin ang bawat kupunan dito needs to play smart in today's ball game, pero dito sa Lady Troopers, they need to use their veteran smarts in today's game. Coach Rico stressed out on 3 things for them. They need to talk more inside the court, they need to improve on their service receive, and improve on their blocks. Hindi pwedeng talon lang silang talon. Kailangan yung pag-block nila, they need to block strong. On the other side of the court, kinamusta ko naman itong si Pinok Sini. Kamusta na nga ba yung kanyang kamay? Ang sabi niya sa akin, it's painful but I'm okay. Tapos biglang nagsalita naman si Coach Roger, ako Rina, hindi ako okay. Siguro nga hinihingi niya yung assurance niya sa team niya. Seth, back to you.
Oh nga, tingnan mo kung meron tape dun sa kamay ni Roger Guraya. Excellent, excellent report, Rina. And that is a weather report on Intertropical Convergence Zone happening on the side of Army, because they've been playing lackluster in the last two sets. In the meantime, 10-7 count.
That's right, Coach Ruang, going for that drop. She has been successful, ha?
Alam ko na ang title ng telenovela ni Coach Ruang.
Game.
Lagi mong ito sa akin. Oh! Kaya sabi ng GMA, wala ka bang maisip na iba? Dami naming hit na telenovela, lagi mong ito sa akin.
Sino supporting cast niya?
Marami dyan. Si Eliza Valdez yung best friend. Here we go. Regalo. Suntukan sa gitna. Yung ayaw mamatay yung bola. Ang tagal. Boses dito sa Sports Vision. Ricky Palou mukhang po aaten ng party. Si Eleanor Navarro mukhang pupunta sa B-League. Si Moing Martilino ang principal po ng eskwelahang ito.
But you know, I like what Tina Salak said eh. Kasi Tina Salak, she knows volleyball, diba? Inside out. Pinapadali lang niya eh. Simple lang ang problema. If it's short ball, adjust. We go to the ball, we don't watch it. Ganun lang yun.
Labas ang bola. Wait, the referee says, wait, let me get the linesman opinion here. Which is officiating.
Yes.
It'll go to Smart. It's a check ball. He asked the linesman, well, boy, they don't need a break, but they get one.
Oo. Obviously, luck is also at the side of Smart Maynilad.
Army's, I think, playing with too much pressure on them. That's too much, no? Too many layers of pressure on them. 15-7. Last time they met, it was just a 4-setter. It was not a 5-setter. It may have seemed like that. It was a 4-set win by Smart. Another win by Smart today sends them into the finals.
That's right. But, you know, again, no, Team Army is self-destructing eh. Because they're not talking. You can see their body language parang very heavy.
Good point.
No?
Yes. Well,
every time that happens to them, di ba, no? Pangit laro nila eh.
Yes, in the meantime, Bunag, a ray of sunshine trying to snap them out of their stupor here. Tina Salak, you're right. She's the one doing the talking. Kasi alam mo, lahat sila star eh. Veteran sila, di ba? And they cannot understand why this is happening. Di ba? In a team kaminsan, there are stars and there are second role players, di ba? And the stars know when to take over, but they're all stars and they're wondering what's happening right now. In the meantime, Portuang living up to her telenovela, lagi mong ito sa akin.